Hello friends, once again welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know amazing benefits of dill curry. In winters, vegetables like fenugreek of dill curry or spinach of dill curry. Green gram and of dill curry are eaten with great relish with millet of cornbread. Many people even make of dill curry paste. Fennel is smooth. Fenugreek increase appetite, is hot, prevent urine, increases intelligence, destroy phlegm and gas. Of dill curry, its constipation, destroy disease like burning, colic, eye disease, thirst, diarrhea, etc. Is called dietary broom. This vegetable does the work of expelling the air that obstructs the stomach in an excellent manner. This vegetable is beneficial in many digestive system disorders like gas in the stomach, indigestion, loss of appetite, worms, etc. Due to its strong smell, it is sometimes disliked, but it is very beneficial and medicinal. It contains many medicinal oils, out of which eugenol oil controls blood sugar. So this vegetable is very good for diabetic patients. Like fenugreek and spinach, it contains folic acid and important alkalis. This vegetable is very good for those whose lifestyle is of doing work while sitting. This vegetable is a sure cure for many problems like feeling heavy in stomach, lack of appetite, indigestion, etc. due to less physical labor. It is also useful for insomnia. Its positive effect has been seen on high blood pressure, kidney disease, headache, heart, etc. Use it for severe hiccups and cough. It also removes mucus. It is used as soy lotion for cosmetic purpose. It reduces swelling and irritation around the eyes. Of dill curry contains nutrients like calcium, iron, vitamin D, thiamine, riboflavin and fiber, which are important for bone health. This vegetable is high in fiber, which helps in improving digestion and relieves constipation. The flavonoid and B complex vitamins present in of dill curry help in relieving insomnia. Of dill curry has anti-diabetic properties, which helps in controlling blood sugar levels, and it contains antioxidant and vitamin C, which helps the body fight infections. To get amazing Ayurvedic information at home, like the video and subscribe to the channel.